Hi guys, it's Sam here from Bargain.hunting.blonde, and today I am bringing to you a Cafune, I think that's how you say the name of this brand, I could be wrong, lucky bag reveal. So I don't know if you guys follow them on social media, but you'll have seen for the Chinese New Year and just like the New Year in general, they did a lucky bag, which is something that I know is very traditional and very sought after in different cultures. And so they did 3 different versions of lucky bags, and each of them had different items in them. So I got the one that was the Stance wallet on a chain, which is actually just like the smallest size of the Stance bag, and then also a wallet. And then there was a lucky bag B, which I believe was a mini bag and a crossbody, which I did want, but being a mom, I don't know if you guys do this who have kids, I will put things in my cart and think I checked out with them, and then like something distracts me and then I don't, and then I look in the cart and of course something has always sold out because I don't remember it until like sometimes days later. So that's what happened here. And then there was also a lucky bag C, which I believe was just 2 wallets. So I have not opened this at all. I have no idea what is in it. Except for, like I said, I did buy lucky bag A, so I know generally that it's the Stance wallet and a small wallet. But again, the Stance wallet is actually a bag. So let's dive in. First, it came in this really fun kind of like tote bag from the brand that is branded right there. So no other box, it just came in this bag, but you can see like, I think this is the wallet is in a box in here. And then the other items are in their dust bags. So here is the Stance, I'm not sure how you say it, wallet. I have been eyeing this brand for a long time, and I had a bunch of stuff in my cart for Black Friday, and then I was like, no, I should be good. I just bought a bunch of stuff for the baby. And then when I saw this lucky bags, I love mystery bags. Like, if there was more mystery luxury bags, I'd be in danger because I just love the idea of a mystery bag. And I actually have really bad luck with mystery bags, but I love opening them. Like, just love it. Like, I cannot wait until Beau is old enough to want mystery bag things because I am here for it. Right now he's too little and have no idea what a mystery bag is. And then second in this bag is the wallet, which did come in a little box. It's a nice hard box, which is nice. And I'll probably I normally store my wallets in their boxes. I know it's probably not good. I know there's a lot of like discussion and discourse around should your bags be in their dust bags, should they be in their boxes, same with small leather goods, and I just have a tendency to keep everything in its dust bag and or box, depending on what it is. It's just so much easier to store like this for me in my closet than it is just like out and about. Like all these bags that you guys see at the moment are just out for filming, like they will go back in their dust bags. And there's also normally more bags on these shelves. It's just, I don't want to take everything out of its dust bag. It becomes a bit of chaos. So let's open the wallet since I have it in my hand. Like I said, I have not seen this. So it is in another, they really want you to like go through the hoops. It is in another dust bag. And I noticed their product dust bags just have it embroidered on, and they're pretty nice quality, which I will say I like nice dust bags, and I like that they have drawstrings. Ooh. Okay, this is a very pretty color. Let me take off all the packaging. Oh wow, there's a lot of packaging on this wallet. Okay. Oh, another snap. Lots of snap packaging, which is nice. Okay, so this, let me take off the, there we go. This is the wallet, which this is their like signature buckle that's on a lot of their bags. Really cute. This is like a mushroom color. I'm not sure if that's what they call it on the website. And like I said, I hadn't opened this before, so I will need to look up how much this costs so I can tell you guys at the end like how much I paid for the lucky bag versus how much each product costs. So I'll have to do that momentarily. But like I said, their signature buckle, and it is like a snap closure. It is not magnetic. And then the interior of the wallet has a coin section, card holders, more card holders back here, same with behind the coin, and then also a bill section. So I'd say it's a mini wallet. It's a true wallet, not just a card holder, so it's going to fit a lot of your stuff, and I prefer like a true mini wallet versus a card holder. Card holders don't hold enough for me. And then it also has this nice back pocket, which if you're on the go, it's always nice to be able to just slip things in the back of the wallet so you don't just leave it in your bag. I know going in and out of Costco for me, now that you have to scan your card, I'm always putting it back in my wallet, but then when I'm checking out with the baby, I have to like dig it out of my wallet again. So putting in the back of this would be really nice. So this is very cute. This is the wallet part of the Lucky bag. Okay, and then, like I said, it came with a lot of stuff, which I will put back on the wallet if I'm not using it immediately, because I do like to keep my items as in as good a condition as possible, but I do use them, so, you know, they do get wear and tear. And then the second is the bag portion of this, or as they still call it, a wallet, because it is kind of like their version of a wallet on a chain. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay. So this is the mini stance wallet that I got. It is that 3 colors? 2 colors. 3 colors. So these two are the same, and then this is like a very similar color to the wallet. As you can see there, this is a different type of leather. This is pebbled, and this is more of a smooth leather. And then it's the same on the back. That's actually really pretty. It is neutral, but not like a generic neutral, not just like another leather piece. I have a tendency to go for browns, as you can like see with my Celine. You guys will know I have a lot of Hermes in the gold color. So it's nice to have something that's that same colorway, but a different like style. I actually think this will look great with like my general life look, which is a white top and jeans. That's what I've always worn, and post-baby, still what I wear because it's easy. So again, the signature lock that you can see right there, and it does have a back zipper, very nicely packaged as well. Don't think, yeah, this is lined, but not big enough to fit a phone. Again, something more of like car keys or a credit card or something like that would go in the back of there. Let's open this. I think it's a snap. Is it a snap or a magnetic closure? Oh, wait, I have to like, oh, this is very fancy. So you have to like pop up the C, which is part of the lock right there, and then like slide it up. So not super easy to do one-handed with all the stickers on it. Yeah, let me take off the stickers. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize you had to take off the sticker to get the bag open. Like I said, I have not opened this previously, and this is my first bag from the brand, so I didn't realize that. So you do have to lift this C up and then slide this out like that. So see how you still have a little bit of the C there? Just put it down if you want. But now you can see like that's their signature lock, and that's how you open this bag. They carry the two-tone into the interior of the bag. And like I said, why to me this is a little less wallet on a chain, a little more like a mini bag, is this is just open. It's really hard to see because it's black, but like all of this, I can just stick my hand in there, is open. And then there are some card slots on the back and like a slot that's big enough for credit cards, but it's not truly like a wallet on a chain to me, like the Chanel wallet on a chain. There is the tag in there, which has like its little authentication sticker and a code on the back. I would have to look into exactly like what's that besides obviously the tag. And then it also has a front zipper compartment where you could put some more stuff in, keys, maybe some lip glosses, something like that. So the big thing for me is that this is a wallet on a chain. To me, doesn't normally have the space to do that. So there's the wallet that I got with extra space in the alleged like wallet on a chain, and it would close. Additionally, the bag did come, and I took it out with a strap that is still all packaged up. Let me see if I can figure out how to take this out real quick, so you guys can see it. Okay, we will get there. We'll get it out. Sorry, again, this is what you get, what I get, I guess, for doing a true reveal. I just really wanted to film my actual reaction, like what the bags were, and the pieces were. So here is the strap. It is adjustable with the little buckle, which is nice. It is a thinner strap, and then you can see that to go with the bag, it is this light mushroom-like color, gold hardware, and then the back is more of the tan of the other color of the bag. So that's really nice that it kind of matches both ways. Hypothetically, you could probably, because of these little poppers, you could put the strap on either way. It would just make the buckle backwards if that bothered you. But if you wanted it to be more of the tan strap and the lighter color on the interior, you could easily do that, which is really nice. So that is what I got with my Lucky bag from Cafune. That's, again, probably not how you pronounce it, but if anyone knows how, please let me know down below. Let me get back to you real quick and look up how much all these pieces cost, and then I can also tell you what I paid. Okay, I am back, and I wanted to let you guys know what I paid versus what the products are, and both of the products are still on their website, so I thought it might be items that they were clearing out or that they were no longer carrying, but that is not true. They are still on their website and you can still buy them at full price. So the Lucky Bag, so the 2 pieces, cost me $235 plus shipping plus tax, which brought it to $261.57. Definitely not bad. I believe this was shipped from Japan. It definitely had to come in via FedEx Express and be signed for. The Stance wallet, so what I'm technically calling the bag, this is on their website still for $448. And then the wallet, which is still in the bag, I was just showing you guys how big it is. This wallet is also, I believe, called the Stance wallet, and it is $211. So the bag, in general, the wallet and the bag, together, if you were to buy them right now on their website, which you could do, is over $650. But what I paid for both through the Lucky Bag process with shipping, tax, and everything was $261.57. So that's about $400 less. Honestly, if you added tax to the $650, it's definitely $400 less. And even $650 is estimating it a little low because it's actually more in like the $660 range if I was to do all my math. But I'm an attorney and math is not my strong suit, so I'm not going to add them and then give you an incorrect number. So you're at least getting $400 savings with the Lucky Bag A. Unfortunately, this was a short time period on their website, and once they sold out, they sold out. So they actually sold out before the end of the date range they had given. I think they appeared roughly around like December 20th, and then they were all gone off the website by the 31st, but a lot of the pieces, the different Lucky Bags, like I said, there were 3, had sold out before that December 31st date. So would I do it again? 100% yes. I love Lucky Bags. I love what I got. I will definitely be using both pieces. I decided to do this because, like I said, I had looked at their stuff on Black Friday and I have thought about buying some bags from them, but I just haven't figured out exactly which ones I want. So this is a great way for me to test out the leather, test out the pieces. They are 2 different leathers. Like I said, this is a pebbled and this is a smooth. I will admit I am more of a smooth leather girly than a pebbled, but very happy with both of these. Wish I had been able to get my hands on Lucky Bag B, which was the 2-bag bag, but that is okay. I need to learn how to hit checkout on my cart, apparently. I had literally put in like all my details. I just had not checked out. But that's life with children, right? So it is what it is. Thank you so much for tuning in today to my video, guys. Let me know what you think of what I got in the Lucky Bag. Would you be happy? Would you be upset? In the comments down below. I am back to trying to do 1 video a week, which is great because if you know, I missed out on most of 2024, which I explained in the first video that came out, but basically just a lot of not only having baby, but medical complications. So I'm very lucky and happy to be in a spot where I can film videos again for you guys. So if you want to see more handbag reviews, handbag reveals, just handbag videos in general, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is once a week. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!